Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and opening the AI's profile. This gives you direct controls. Once logged in, find the character card in your list and open details. Make sure to export or copy any prompts, memories, or notes you want to preserve because deletion is permanent. If the AI is in a shared or team folder, confirm you have deletion rights. Now, move to the character options menu on that profile. This is where the actionable controls live. Once on the character page, click the three-dot menu or the settings gear. This reveals management actions. Select delete or remove, then read the confirmation prompt carefully so you know what will vanish: chats, memories, and custom content. If the option is grayed out, check ownership or team permissions. You may need the creator to remove it. After verifying, click confirm or type the character name when prompted, and the system will queue the deletion immediately. After confirming deletion, wait for the success message or email. This tells you the AI was removed. If you don't see confirmation, refresh the dashboard and clear cache or sign out and back in, because stale sessions can hide changes. If permissions block deletion, request the owner or admin to remove it. Finally, if something went wrong and you have backups, restore content to a new character. Otherwise, contact character AI support with account details and timestamps for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.